Okay, so we're on number 5 now. Okay, this one says the enrollment in dance class is currently 80 students and is increasing at a rate of 4 students per term. The enrollment in choir is 120 students and is decreasing at a rate of 6 students per term. After how many terms will the number of students in dance class equal the number of students in choir? How many students will be in each class? Okay, so let's let the number of terms equal t. Okay, then we're going to have the number of students in dance is right here, 80 students and increasing at a rate of 4 per term. So we have 80 plus 4 times the number of terms. So we'll have the number of students in choir is right here. Enrollment in choir is 20 students and is decreasing at a rate of 6 students per term. So 120 minus 6 students per term. Now we want to know when they'll be equal, so we're going to take 80 plus 4t. I'm sorry, I'm at 10t equals 40. I'm going to divide by 10. So t equals 40. So what does that mean? That means, I'm sorry, t equals 4. 4. After 4 terms, the number of students in choir and dance are equal. All right. Now, how many students will be in each class? So we go back to the expressions we wrote and we plug in 4 for t. So the expression that we had for dance was 80 plus 4t. So now if we replace the t with 4, we have 80 plus 16 more students is 96 students for dance. Choir, our expression was 120 minus 6t. So if we take t and replace it with 4, I have 120 minus 24, which will give us 96. So there will be 96 students in each class. And they should be the same because we just figured that out. Okay, we have one more. So you burn approximately 230 calories less per hour if you ride your bike versus go on a run. Lien went on a 2-hour run, plus burned an additional 150 calories in his warm-up and his cool-down. Theo went on a 4-hour bike ride. If Leanne and Theo burned the same amount of calories on their workouts, approximately how many calories do you burn an hour for each type of exercise? So let's do this. Let's make C equal the calories. C. Okay, so the calories burned by biking. Here's your bike. 230 less hours if you go on a run. So this is 230 hours less than run. So calories on a run running, we're going to make that C. Biking is 230 less. Let's flip that. Sorry, let's flip this to be this. C minus 230. Okay. So Lien, there's a lot to list here. He went on a 2-hour run, so 2 times C, and then he just burned an additional calories by his cool down and warm up. And remember, you're thinking burning is subtracting, but we want to get a total number of calories here, so it's adding. And then who's the other person? Theo. He went on a 4-hour bike ride, so 4 times C. Okay? Minus 30, because 230. I'm sorry. The bike ride is C minus 230, so we have to take 4 times that. Here's the bike ride. 4 times what the bike ride is. So 4 times C minus 230. All right, let's set those equal to each other, Lien's and Theo's. So 2C plus 150, there's Lien's. And then Theo's, 4 times the quantity of C minus 230. All right, and what we're looking for is how long it's going to take, or how many calories. What question were they asking? Approximately how many calories do you burn after 1 hour? Okay, so let's look for C. We got to distribute first. So 2C plus 150 equals 4C, 920. Let's go up here. 2C plus 150 equals 4C minus 920. I'm going to subtract 2C from both sides. So I have 150 equals 2C minus 920. So now I'm going to add that 920 to each side. So I have 1070 equals 2C. And I'm going to divide by 2. So C equals 535. So we got to fill this in. So calories burned while running is 535, right? And if we take 535 and subtract 230, that will be the calories biking, which is kind of sad because you only burn 115 calories while biking. Okay, so let's look at their workouts and see how many calories they burned. So I'm going to erase this. You can go back and rewind if you need to. I need some space. I'm going to erase this. Okay, so at this point we know that they're going to be the same. So I'm going to just take one of them. I'm going to take Lien's. And his expression is 2C plus 150. So I'm going to take 2, and we know C is 535 plus 150. So you only need to take one of them because you know that we know that they're the same. So 2 times 535 is 1070, and we're going to add 150 to that. So they're burning 1,220 calories. Okay, that's it for now.